Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to export an AutoCAD DXF file from MicroSurvey's MSCAD. So what I've done here is I've got this lovely drawing, and as I said, I want to export it to an AutoCAD format. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on my plumb bob in the top left corner to open up my settings menu, and I'm going to save my file as. And after I hit Save As here, I'm going to get the option to choose where I'm going to save my file. In my case, I'm going to place it in the downloads to make it really easy on myself. And then I'm going to need to select my Save As type. Now, as I mentioned, I want to do this as an AutoCAD DXF, so I'm going to select mine as an AutoCAD ASCII or AutoCAD binary DXF, whichever one I need. In my case, I'm going to leave mine as the binary file type, and if my file name is good to go here, I'm going to click on Save to save it in my folder, and that is how you export an AutoCAD DXF from MicroSurvey's MSCAD. But for now, that is everything in today's video. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.